LG G7 to be redesigned from scratch, launch delayed till April report. LG is rebuilding the G7 flagship smartphone from scratch, according to new reports emerging from South Korea. Sources close to the Korean Herald claim LG's newly adopted strategy will delay the release of the G7 by April at the earliest. LG Electronics vice chairman and CEO has reportedly ordered the company's engineers to halt work on the existing G7 hardware and instead start working on the flagship all over again. The company had initially planned to launch the G7 at the annual Mobile World Congress in Barcelona in late February. An unnamed LG official told the publication that the CEO sent out a direct order to the G7 smartphone team to restart working on the device, which was expected to be out in a few weeks from now. Apparently, the company is expected to make a decision on the launch date around the device at the Lunar New Year holiday next month. LG has already indicated that it is considering to change its smartphone strategy in order to get more competitive. We will unveil new smartphones when it is needed. But we will not launch it just because other rivals do, the company's CEO said last week during the CES 2018 tech trade show in Las Vegas. Rumors also indicate that LG might rename the G series, but the company is yet to make it official. Unlike Samsung, LG has failed to make a big splash into the premium smartphone market. Its last few smartphones, including the much-hyped G6, failed to give tough competition to the Galaxy S8. So it makes a complete sense that the company is rethinking about its smartphone strategy. The G7 was supposed to feature a 6-inch OLED display, bezel-less design, dual cameras on the back, and a premium metal and glass design. For all the latest technology news, download